Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Papa's con chorizo. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite chorizo, 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by peeling and dicing your potatoes into small, half-inch cubes. Then, finely mince the onion and garlic to create a fragrant foundation for our dish. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place a large skillet over medium heat. You won't need any extra oil, as the chorizo will release its own delicious fats. Add the 1 pound of chorizo to the hot pan, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue to sauté for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's beautifully browned and slightly crispy. Once cooked, drain off most of the rendered fat, leaving just about 2 tablespoons in the pan for the next step. With the chorizo ready, it's time to introduce our other stars. Add the 2 pounds of diced potatoes, along with the minced onion and garlic, to the skillet with the remaining chorizo fat. Stir everything together to ensure the potatoes are coated. Cook this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are fork tender and slightly golden. Don't forget to season generously with salt and pepper, and perhaps a pinch of cumin for extra depth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return the cooked, drained chorizo to the skillet with the tender potatoes. Stir gently to combine everything thoroughly, allowing the flavors to meld for another 2 to 3 minutes. For a fresh touch, garnish your Papa's con chorizo with some chopped fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of crumbled cottage cheese. Serve this versatile dish immediately, whether it's for a hearty breakfast, a flavorful taco filling, or a satisfying side. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.